ज़माने से हमारी क्या कहानी है, न पूछो ज़माने से हमारी क्या कहानी है, पहचान तो बस ये है कि हम पाकिस्तानी हैं। Now I request Ismail Khan that he come on stage and narrate his speech for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected principal, teachers and all dear friends. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ismail Khan and I am the student of class 7. I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today I would like to talk about Independence Day and our responsibility. Dear friends, our dear homeland Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947. We got this freedom from British rule after a great struggle and sacrifices. Thousands of brave Muslims sacrificed their lives. Dear friends, we salute the heroes who gave us this beautiful country, but it is now our responsibility to learn to do something. Our first duty to become a good citizen. We must work hard, study well, and learn good manners. We should keep our city and country clean. Respect parents and teachers. We must stop corruption to save our country. At last, I would like to say, बिन कावश के कोई चीज़ भी हासिल नहीं होती. बिन कावश के कोई चीज़ भी हासिल नहीं होती. आज़ादी किसी कौम पे नाज़िल नहीं होती. है जुर्म अगर वतन की मिट्टी से मोहब्बत, ये जुर्म सदा मेरे हिसाबों में रहेगा. Let's pray to Allah, please protect Pakistan from enemies. Pakistan.